Yes, I think that one always learns from models in other malignant disease. I do think acute myeloid leukemia probably is molecularly very different from other blood diseases. And in fact, I think in many ways is providing a model for other diseases, but there is always cross-fertilization of ideas. So Leukemia and Lymphoma Research recognized about 4 years ago that whilst the United Kingdom has a great track record of delivering large randomized phase 3 studies, we were less effective at the increasingly important early phase studies, and that's up to randomized phase 2. And these are now becoming very important in terms of drug registration, and also in an age of molecular stratification. These large randomized phase 3 studies that take 5 to 10 years to deliver are simply not fit for purpose. And so recognizing that, and at the same time understanding that there are two major limitations to recruitment to early phase trials, and those are slow time to delivery, and that one can overcome that by funding a hub of specially trained trial coordinators, and at the same time a shortage of resource in form of research nurses in major centres. LLR funded a network which consists of a hub in Birmingham with research nurses upfront funded in major leukemia centres across the country, thereby creating a virtual catchment region of 20 million. And this TAP program in its first 4 years has already delivered 12 early phase trials, has opened them with only a small number of exceptions in less than a year. That's halving the time that one conventionally sees for opening a study in the UK, and all of the studies have recruited on or ahead of target, with more than 600 patients now benefiting from access to new therapies. So I think this is a model that is not only really important in terms of liberating new drugs to patients, and we've already created access to more than £100 million worth of free drugs through the TAP program. It's like creating a small CDF, Cancer Drugs Fund. But at the same time, it's becoming absolutely clear that a key undercutting infrastructure that's required for George Freeman's vision of the UK being a lit runway with rapid development of new therapies and conditional licensing within an 8-year period is the establishment of such collegiate, well-funded trials networks. And we believe the TAP model is going to be replicated in a number of other areas of cancer and a number of other non-malignant diseases, thereby releasing the huge strategic potential and richness that's present in the UK's NHS.